Hello everyone. In this lecture we are going to see what are even and odd functions. So if say there is a function f of x and you replace your x with minus x and they are still the same, then your function is called even function. And if you change your x with minus x but you get negative of the function back, means you're replacing your x with minus x and you're getting the output as negative of the function, then that function is called an odd function. That is an odd function. Let us say the function is sine x upon x, and if I change x with minus x, that will be sine of minus x upon minus x. And you see, sine minus x is minus sine x upon minus x. So this is becoming sine x by x, which is equal to f of x. So changing x into minus x did not affect the function. So this function is an even function. Now let us consider f of x as cos x upon x. If you replace x with minus x, you get cos minus x upon minus x. Cos of minus x is cos x. And what you get? You are getting negative of the function. Cos x upon x is f of x. So f of minus x is coming out to be minus f of x. It means this function is an odd function. We can see this geometrically. So here let us see how the graph looks like. Y equal to sine x upon x looks like this. So you can see that when you change your x, so this is positive x-axis, right? And this is your negative x-axis. So when you replace your x with minus x, it means that it's like folding your paper with this line as the axis. So if you fold from this axis, this quadrant will overlap with these two. Now let us see how does the other graph look like. Cos x upon x. Here you see, if you fold it along the y-axis, the graphs will not overlap. When you are changing your x to minus x, the graphs are not going to overlap. Therefore, it is easy to check whether a function is even or odd by this analytical method. And to interpret it geometrically, you can draw the graph and see. And one simple example which is known to everyone, fx is equal to x square. It is an upward parabola. You can see this is the upward parabola, and if you cut along this line and fold along this axis, your graph will overlap. But if I write fx is equal to x, this is this line. This is the graph of y is equal to x. This was y equal to x square. So here if you cut along this line, along the y-axis, your graph will not, this part will not overlap with it. So here this is a geometric way to find whether the function is even or odd, but you will not always be able to draw the graphs. So you just replace your x with minus x and See, are you getting the same function back? Or are you getting the negative of the function back? Like here, we are getting minus x, which is minus of f of x. And one more thing, that not all functions can be classified as even or odd functions, right? So there are functions which are neither even nor odd. So that is it for this lecture. Thank you.